Welcome this video. Your living room is the heart of your home. One place when style, much comfort. There your entrance, gas, and relaxed after a long time. The when you decoration this place set the tone of your set home and even smart change. You create the big impact whether your redesign was screen in simple look to fresh your space. This can often inspire and deep living room decoration idea for even test and budget. Define your space before into furniture, place, color, identity, and aesthetic. You're doubling to some popular living room style. Modern, clean line, natural color, and minimalism define this style. Thin glass, coffee table, and geometric palette. Traditional, ranch, wood, tone, functional, and classic art price compass is key with layout fiber, warm light, simplicity, functional, and a connective to natural, soft in natural material, minimalizes design, Bahu, electric, and vibrant layout range, mismatch, and plants and layout of textile define this fresh scrolling look. Start with a steam foundation. Valve. Valve set the steam of your decoration. Consider those other print a fresh cost can be wind Wahoo color, naving, format gardening, create, dream, while long term, like, create, often a stream, wallpaper available, and weekend palette for to geometric palette. Various grade of reset, gallery wall, display, plants art photo or print structure, electric agreement. This add personal and before a focal point. Furniture, comfort match functional. Furniture is both decoration and functional, make such its living space soft. Choose a price that often set but do not overwhelm the room. Natural color are timeless but colorful, can make a bold statement. Coffee table. Coffee table consider glass or modern various wood for warm or much for interior feel. Use additional book and plants to style of surface. Thank you for watching this video.